Good morning. It is Saturday. It's the weekend and we have so much to do. So much to do. We are going to move some of the hay over to the bald spots in the pasture. So what we're doing is we're taking this hay that has seed in it, right there. So we're taking that seed, putting it in the pasture so that we can plant it.
It out for you?
All right, so we got the hay moved. It is now out in the pasture. We spread it out. And now, next on the list is to clean up the rest of this wood. Whoop, there. And we're going to have a big bonfire down there, which is right there. So we're going to just clean up this area because we put baby girl over here. We move her on a regular basis because she poops a lot and we want her to have a clean space to roam. So also it really helps our yard. So we put the hay bale in there. The hay bale spreads the grass, and because we do use our yard for rotational grazing our cows. So what better, I mean, why not use it? We even sold our lawnmower so that we didn't have, because we didn't use it. We just let the cows eat it. So we're gonna get doing that, so let's go. Hey, don't hit. Oh, Hunter, are you okay?
Who's doing that?
Jaden did. Jaden, hey, let me see. Come here.
Sorry.
We're gonna wishbone this stick. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That is not fair.
I won!
What do you win?
Let me see. I don't know.
What'd you call it?
I won! And you chose!
What?
Another one.
Oh! Wait,
Okay.
wishbone it again.
Wait, let Hunter. All right, so I just showed you baby girl's poop. I know. You know what, as a farmer though, we really look to their poop to tell us if anything is wrong with them. Such as when Prep Setter Bob was here, he was saying that, you know, you could see the cracked corn out of her, or in her poop. And it should have been digested because it was already cracked corn. She is doing really good. Her poop looks pretty good, I'd say. Her body condition needs to come up a little bit more. It's getting there. Slowly but surely, she is definitely getting better. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you what I got in the mail. The box, what could it be? And who is it from? So we got a package from Mama Dean at the Homestead Outlaw. It used to be Justin Dean Homestead Outlaw. I think it's just Homestead Outlaw now. They're just great people. I absolutely love them. So it's my favorite color. Can you guess what that is? It's pink and camo Homestead Outlaw. I love it. If you haven't checked them out, check them out because they have some awesome content. Another thing that I want to share with you is we just went and visited some friends, Tia and Andy up in Virginia. They gave us some seeds, so I wanted to show you what we got. So they go to seed swaps quite often, and so they just handed me a bag and said, take whatever you want. I was like, okay, I'm going to. So I really want to make an herb garden, so I got oregano, garlic chives. I'm pretty sure this would be an herb, I think. Greek oregano. Okay, and the next on the thing, I didn't get a whole lot of lettuce this year when I ordered my seeds, so I grabbed some from Andy and Tia. So I got arugula, some spinach, regular lettuce, kale. I've never seen this brand of seeds, but I thought I'd try it. There's a lot of seeds in here too. And then lettuce oak leek, and it looks like it's just like a sample pack. Just said salad greens. All right, and then cherry tomatoes. We really like cherry tomatoes. There's only a couple of seeds in here, which is totally fine. I actually like that concept better because then I can try out a couple seeds and I'm not wasting all of the seeds if I don't like it. Green beans, there's quite a few in here, so I'm excited because I really like green beans, and that's one of the seeds that I forgot to purchase when I purchased my seeds. Butternut squash, cucumber, and Brussels sprouts. So those are the seeds that I got from Andy and Tia. They also have a YouTube channel. It's called Clueless Homesteaders. They haven't posted a video in a while, so why don't you go over to their channel and bug them and say, Darcy at Smith Family Ranch said that you have some videos that you just need to edit and upload, so can you just do them? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys later. Oh yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And go ahead and leave us a comment. What are your favorite seeds to grow? And what would be a couple seeds that you want to try that you've never tried before? Thanks for watching, guys.